Let's learn how to use the KPI widget. The KPI widget puts your key metrics front and center, making it easier for your team to focus on what's most important. Here's a quick overview of the KPI Widget Elements, all of which are bound by the selected time range. The metric value is a numeric representation of the chosen metric, such as OEE or downtime. The spark line visually depicts how the metric has changed. The trend value uses a linear regression calculation to summarize the direction and magnitude of change within the selected time range. And the trend indicator gives a quick visual of whether the metric improved or worsened. Green means the value has improved. Red means it has worsened. Gray means it is stable or does not have a qualitative interpretation. NA means data from multiple work centers is included, so spark lines and trends are not available. Now let's take a quick look at the live controls. All widgets contain enterprise, time range, filter, and duplicate live controls. The metric control is used to select the specific metric value shown within the KPI widget. Now let's create a few examples. Our first example shows downtime on line 1 for last week. Downtime is often featured as a KPI, as it is the largest source of lost productive time for most manufacturers. On your dashboard, press Layout to enter Layout mode. Click Add Widget and choose KPI. To set this widget to its own time range, click on the Time Range control and uncheck Follow Page. Then specify the desired time range, which in this case is last week. Now, click on the Metric control, search for and choose Downtime. Notice how the default widget title changes to Downtime to reflect your selection. We can immediately see from the green indicator that downtime improved across the week. Our second example shows efficiency for first shift across all work centers. Efficiency shows whether your team is winning the shift by meeting or exceeding the target count, which is based on the takt time in your parts table. Again, press Layout to select Layout mode. Click Add Widget and choose KPI. To include production across all work centers, select the Enterprise control and choose the name of your enterprise. Notice that the second part of the widget title automatically updates from line 1 to Acme. This time, we will not utilize the time range control, as we want this widget to follow the page's time range. Click on the Metric control and search for and select Efficiency. To limit the data to first shift, choose the Filter control. Then click Add Expression and select Shift. Ensure the operator is set to the equal sign before picking first shift for the value. Now that you've seen how to create KPI widgets, be sure to check out our training center to see more of what Excel has to offer.